I'm gonna do a quick video on how to download your own videos. Say for instance, I got a lot of videos and I want to download one about my garage door opener, but I know it's about maybe 90 videos down. And as you can see, this only let you go 30 at a time, or you can go maybe 125. But I'm gonna just show you how to quickly get to a particular video. Only thing you need to do is go right here where it says filter. And I'm gonna go in my description. I'm gonna use my description. I'm gonna type garage. And I'm gonna apply it. Once you apply it, it's gonna filter everything out except the garage. So this is what I want. See these few videos about my garage door opener. And I want to download this video right here. So I would have had to go back about 150 videos just to get to this. You can also filter again. You could type in here and let's say title. You could filter by title also. We'll say door. And hit apply. You're going to know it's going to filter it down even more. Or you can also do some more filtering. You just go right here. Let's say anything that is, let's say views. How many views? I want it greater than, let's say 1,000 views. Greater than or equal to 1,000 views. And hit apply. See, it even filter it out more if you look at here the views. So you could filter all of this stuff out. So the one with the weak signal, it got 10,000 views. So let's change this again. Let's go anything that's got 11. We're going to hit apply. You're going to notice that. You notice it went down even smaller. I don't have a lot of them with the garage door opener that has 11,000 views. So I'm going to just go ahead and download the one I wanted. So I'm going to show you how to download it. But this is the one I want to download right here. So to download it, just go right over here with these three dots, click it, and hit download. And what it's going to do, it's going to download it to your download folder. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.